What's up guys, and in this video we're going to be doing a review of the Cobra wood chipper. So I picked up this chipper a few weeks ago and so far I absolutely love it. It's amazing. We're going to be chipping all this green waste you can see here. So it's got this safety bar on it, which I think it's good that it's got a safety bar on it, but it is always catching on a branch and the machine is always cutting it out, which is a bit annoying, but I like that there's a safety bar on there. This is the model with the electric start. And then it's got this deflector on the end of the chute so you can chip it into a wheelbarrow or a mini green bag or a bin. And then it's got this sort of tool storage pouch, which in here there's spanners and stuff to tighten up all the bolts.